Today, I'll show you how to edit the mobile version of your website using the Webflow website builder. Whether you're a seasoned designer or new to the platform, optimizing your site for mobile devices is crucial for providing a seamless user experience. Let's dive right into it. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to webflow.com. Log into your account if you haven't already. Webflow is an excellent tool for building responsive websites, and it makes editing the mobile version of your site incredibly straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with a dashboard that lists all your projects. Next, you'll want to select the site you wish to edit. Simply click on the project thumbnail to open it. This will take you to the Webflow Designer, where all the magic happens. The Designer is your workspace for creating and editing your website, and it's where you can manipulate everything from layout to typography. Now, to focus on the mobile version, look to the top right corner of the Designer. You'll notice a series of icons representing different device breakpoints such as desktop, tablet, and mobile. Click on the mobile icon, which usually looks like a small smartphone. This will switch the view to show how your website appears on a mobile device. Don't worry, this doesn't change your website, it just allows you to work within that specific viewport. With the mobile breakpoint selected, you're ready to start editing. You can now adjust elements like text size, margin, padding, and more to ensure everything looks great on smaller screens. If any elements are not displaying as you'd like, you can use Webflow's intuitive drag and drop interface to reposition them. You can also use the style panel to tweak individual styles. And remember, any changes you make here will only affect the mobile version, so feel free to experiment. One tip to keep in mind while editing is to frequently preview your changes. Webflow provides a preview mode, allowing you to see how the site will look on an actual device. This can be incredibly helpful for catching any last-minute adjustments you need to make before publishing. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've effectively edited the mobile version of your website using the Webflow website builder. This process ensures that your site is not only visually appealing, but also functional across all devices. As more users access websites via mobile, having a responsive design is more important than ever. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Webflow tips and tutorials. Happy designing, and see you in the next video.